from Islamic history, we know that the first 200 years of Islam is stated by the Holy Prophet ﷺ to be the golden age, 300 years in fact. So in these 300 years, we know there are many tragic incidents happen. 3 Khulafa of Islam were martyred. Similarly, the incident of Karbala also took place. So what is the justification of...
You see, it doesn't mean that martyrdom is bad. Martyrdom in the sight of Allah are the greatest achievement of a person. So Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is saying it in the light of what Allah has told him about martyrs. So although efforts should have been taken to save the lives of the Khulafa, but at the same time their martyrdom is a great honor for them.